I'm going to make a plastic razor out of a, this was actually off of a sack of potatoes. This was off a loaf of bread. And first thing, I cut these nubbins off the side. Just something else that could scratch the surface. This is a tin snip, works really good. Using 150 grit sandpaper. First off, I'm going to sand this edge. I want to make sure it's straight. So once that's done, then put this at an angle. It's maybe a 15 degree. And just sand that down till it's not sharp. It's not like metal sharp, but for removing certain things, maybe decals or something like that, rather than using a metal razor, this might work better. Though these will still scratch surfaces, so if you use it, do it in a place that's not going to be seen. Make sure it's going to work and not wreck your finish. Do the same thing with this large one. This one's just a little bit thicker too. Dead straight and at an angle. Do a little bit more on that one. There we go. That looks good. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.